welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is gonna be my 2026 reset vlog. Super late on this reset. आज literally 28th of December हो गई है. I have 3 days. 2-3 काम है जो मुझे करने हैं for this new year reset. So let's see. And one more thing. क्या थी वो one more thing? Yeah, one more thing is that कि I would like to start this reset today and end it max by tomorrow morning. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा I cannot do. Let's get started. ये ना मेरा लैपटॉप शुरू सा नहीं हो रहा है. इसको क्या हो गया है? Guys, laptop decided not to work. So my new year reset list of all the things that I want to do to make my vision board for 2026. Fix my wardrobe. Wardrobe में मुझे एक particular section है which is not at all organized and I do not want to move in the new year with that mess. So वो मुझे ठीक करना है. Washroom के drawers are also a mess that needs to be fixed. To restock a few things in my washroom, so वो भी ठीक करना है. I mean वो भी restock करना है. And I have to change my wallpapers. This has been a ritual like for few videos now, like for my Christmas and my I think fall or November reset vlog. I did this, and now in my new year reset. So important is remove Christmas scents. Decoration मैं नहीं remove करूँगी. Decoration I do it after the new year only. अरे एक चीज़ और है guys इसमें. A drawer right here which is so bad. मतलब उसकी हालत बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदी है. तो मुझको वो भी ठीक करनी है. Like station. One more thing guys. Set up a planner. And now let's get started with our 2026 reset. Guys, this is the drawer that I was talking about. Oh my god, it's so bad. मैं नहीं दिखा रही. Let's get started with this really quickly. I am done with it. It took so much time. मैं थक गई. Actually, it did not take like that much time. इतना मैं expect करती थी उससे कम time में हो गया. But look at the difference. मैंने इतना सामान निकाला भी नहीं है. But it looks so better, so खाली. Love it. This is how it looks. Organization wise, it's pretty okay. है ना, ऐसा कुछ समझ सा तो नहीं आ रहा. बट इतना खाली it just feels so much better. देने के लिए निकाला है वो है ये सब. I mean इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं लग रहा but yeah. This task is done and now I am going for a little breaky because I want to have something. Guys, the next task I am doing from my New Year's reset is to keep all the Christmas scents back in their place. So let's do क्योंकि मेरे उसी काम की एनर्जी बची है. That's why I'm choosing the easy one. So yeah. Bye to all of this. Let me keep this away now. Guys, majorly now I'm left with my vision board और उसके अलावा थोड़ा सा like here and there restocking and my drawer and my wardrobe. Oh my god, थोड़ा तो नहीं ज़्यादा बाकी है. But अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ is that I am selecting my pictures for my vision board क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक वो नहीं किया है. Hi guys, it's the next day obviously, and let's get started with our work because I am super duper late. And let me show you what are we tackling today. This section that you see right here is what I am tackling. ये बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार है अंदर से. Needs to be fixed. Like यहाँ पे कुछ और सामान नहीं आ पा रहा है क्योंकि कुछ भी अच्छे से नहीं रखा हुआ. So without any further, let's get started with this. So next up, I'm gonna restock my skincare essentials. This is empty. This is literally finished. Then this moisturizer is also finished. And now it's time to restock. I buy to all of this, guys. This might look कि ये भरा हुआ है, but see कि पूरा खाली है. So अभी let me get done with my screensavers real quick. It. I don't know how I feel about it, but that's how it looks for now. No, हमेशा इतना समय क्यों रहता है, but now क्योंकि मतलब अभी मुझे जहाँ भी जाना है, I will get late for it, so I need to get ready ASAP and we'll make the vision board tonight. See you in a while. Bye. Finally, I'm on the last page. This is it. I've done 3 pages there, and now I'm finally on the last one, and then we'll make my vision board after I take a bath. Okay, bye. So guys, now it's finally time to make my vision board. So let's get started. Doing this right now, trust me. मैंने इतना aesthetically like vision board नहीं बनाया, like yeah. This is a 10 by 12 canvas. I have all my pictures here with me. I'm so excited to do it. Let's go, guys. Begin with my vision board. Such a cute setup. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, सबसे पहले I am gonna assemble all my pictures over here on the canvas and see what works out, what display looks the best, और उसके बाद फिर I'm gonna stick it. So that's my plan. I'm so excited. Let's do it. His vibes are vibing. Amazing. Love it. Finally, my 2026 vision board is done and I'm so happy and so relieved as well. One last thing I would like to do before I end this 2026 reset is to show you guys my 2026 planner. वो मैंने मंगा के रख लिया, उसमें कुछ changes मुझे करने थे, वो भी मैंने बहुत पहले ही कर लिए थे. So now I think I'll just show you my planner and then we can end this vlog. So मेरा planner मैंने किधर रखा है? ये रहा. So guys, here is my planner. Oh my god, wow. Wait. The freebies that I got by the way with the planner. these two sticker sheets and this little bookmark. This is my 2026 planner, you guys. This 2026 I have added because I really wanted one कि उसके ऊपर रहे. And if you see, नीचे भी मैंने I have added this little quote which I really wanted, and this is the mindfulness planner and gratitude journal. Let me tell you, this is an undated planner. Dated planner मैंने इसलिए नहीं लिया because it always happens कि जनवरी तक वो बहुत ज़्यादा consistent रहती हूँ मैं, फिर फेब से क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम्स शुरू हो जाते हैं हमेशा, राइट. सो फेब में कुछ करने को नहीं होता, सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट का एग्ज़ाम है, वो एग्ज़ाम पढ़ाई तो लाइक आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग टू प्लान, सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही करनी होती है, राइट. सो इसलिए हमेशा फेब में आके मेरी स्ट्रीक या फिर कॉन्टिन्यूटी ब्रेक हो जाती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑप्टेड फॉर एन अनडेटेड प्लानर दिस टाइम and I absolutely love this planner. This is how it looks, a closer POV. This and this is what I have added on my own. Then this is what I want to paste up inside as well. Then this journal belongs to, all of this is yet to be filled in. Then this is how it looks like. Then this is the monthly tracker, then mind map for monthly goals and all of that, and then expense tracker. मेरा कोई काम नहीं guys इसका. Then we have meal planner. I have no idea how to use it. Then that's it. बस top priority और फिर other tasks and for your mind. यही है. और ये जो goals का spread है, that I did see like a few times. See here again. So like the monthly tracker and then this. And may you have your notes ka section. That is pretty much it for this planner. So yes guys, that was my reset for the New Year's, and now I feel nice and prepped for the New Year. Everything is done. The list that I made काफी end moment हुआ, like it's 30th today. I don't know if I will be able to do this vlog by tomorrow, but I'll try my level best to put this up by tomorrow max, because मुझे चाहिए कि ये न्यू ईयर से पहले जा, राइट. आई मीन दैट मेक्स मोर सेंस टू मी एटलीस्ट. एंड 30th का भी अभी 9:46 हो गए, राइट. सो आई मीन रात के. सो या बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू मी, बट I'm gonna make it happen. But yes guys, this is gonna be the last vlog of 2025. Thank you so much to everyone who is subscribed to my channel. We are currently on 187 subscribers if I'm not wrong. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you liked it. बहुत सारे मजे करना guys न्यू ईयर पे, जो भी देख रहा है. Be happy, enjoy, keep watching my vlogs, and now I'm seeing the next year. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a very, very happy new year. Bye.